In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on photo tagging in OneDrive so you can organize your photo library more easily and find people faster. This is a really useful feature if you store a lot of pictures in OneDrive and want it to automatically help group photos by the people in them. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in with the Microsoft account that you use for your files and photos. Once you're inside OneDrive, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the Settings gear icon. This is where OneDrive keeps a lot of its account and photo-related options. After that, choose Options from the menu. Now you'll be taken to the OneDrive settings area. On the left side, look for the Photos section and click it. This is the area where OneDrive stores settings related to your pictures, albums, and photo organization tools. Once you're in the Photos menu, look for an option called People Tagging or Photo Tagging. Depending on your account or interface version, the wording may be slightly different, but it will be the setting that controls facial grouping and tagging features. When you find it, switch the setting to On. This tells OneDrive to start using photo tagging so it can recognize and group photos of the same people. If OneDrive asks you to save your changes, go ahead and confirm it. That step is important because the setting may not take effect until you save. After that, give OneDrive a moment to apply the update. In some cases, the feature may take a little time before it becomes visible in your photo library. Once photo tagging is enabled, you can go back to your photos and start using OneDrive's improved organization tools. This can make it much easier to search through large collections, identify repeated people, and keep your files sorted in a smarter way. If you ever want to change the setting later, you can come back to the same photo section and toggle it off again. And that's it. You've now turned on photo tagging in OneDrive. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs, and leave a comment if you want to see more OneDrive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.